The angiosperms, the flowering plants, are the most diverse plants on Earth today with more than 300,000 species. This is often underestimated simply because many flowers are not showy. So, for example, grasses are flowering plants, as are oak and maple trees. They simply have wind-pollinated flowers. While they are the most diverse plants alive today, the angiosperms were also the last group to evolve, not appearing in the fossil record until midway into the Mesozoic era, hundreds of millions of years after the first plants. Molecular studies and anatomical studies suggest a branching of angiosperm lineages, which looks something like this, although from one study to the next, there can be a minor variation in the precise branching pattern. It is thought that primitive flowers such as Archaefructos represent the basal lineages in the fossil record, and Ambarella, a single species alive today, is considered to be the most primitive angiosperm, followed by the 70 species of water lilies, and then a few other groups ending with the magnoliids with about 9,000 species, which include magnolias, tulip trees, sassafras trees, avocados, cinnamon, and nutmeg. The magnoliids were common trees at the end of the age of dinosaurs. The two largest lineages are the monocots with their 60,000 species, which include orchids, rice, wheat, corn, bamboo, palm, bananas, lilies, iris, onions, garlic, tulips, daffodils, and the diversity of grasses. And after a primitive lineage, Ceratophyllum, which is the sister group to the eudicots, the eudicots then represent 200,000 species, including the majority of trees in our areas, such as oaks, maples, hickories, and apples, and a variety of very important plants, such as potatoes, tomatoes, soybeans, roses, asters, mints, and buttercups.